Sheesh, bro. All right, I should be good now. Is this better? It's good. I think I use my whole screen. Now I wait for everybody to join back. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna get to it. I ain't gonna wait on nobody. All right, so so in the chat, as you can see, I have all this predicted out, right? All the Asian session is expanding, expanding. This is my draw for my London session. So we pull back into the imbalance and we continue off, pulling back to the 50% mark, and we continue to previous day highs. Now, obviously, it's FOMC day, so price is not going to be the most prettiest or anything, and everything is described right here. So one of the models I preach is expansion and retrace and re-expand on days like this. I like to see continuation instead of manipulation from now until London. We should have put in the low of the week today. Today is beautiful if looked at correctly. I would like to see Tuesday's lows stay protected, and I would like to get in early buys for NQ if the opportunity presents itself, right? So, boom. Fast forward to boom. This is my entry, right? Caught the whole trade. We go on premium gains. Everybody is doing what they're supposed to, right? Even me, no, that's not the right one. That's the third entry. But even me, I had got in right here. Woke up to 200 ticks. Who wouldn't want 200 ticks? So as you can see, we swept previous day lows on NQ, had a strong push, a strong retracement up, and this candle had no top wick. So when price opened up, we just went straight down, put in the low, right? That means this low should stay protected. To me, this is a protected low right here. So we had created a 5-minute breaker, the last up close candle before the move down. We swept liquidity and pushed back up, making this our breaker. And entering off the 15-minute is diabolical, not gonna lie. You got a big old stop loss. So I like to refine my PD arrays. So I'll go to the 5-minute time frame, and inside my breaker, we had a fair value gap. Which is right here. So as we can see, what I said so far is valid. We pulled back to the halfway mark, hitting that imbalance, and I got in my buys once we pulled into that fair value gap. Oh my gosh. So we end up pulling back to the fair value gap, and I showed. Why is my replay button not working? This is blowing me. So we end up pulling back to the 5-minute fair value gap. Go to price right now. and we got our retest. After we got our retest, the draw liquidity was previous day highs, right? So I caught this whole trade right here, just off basic analysis and studying what I preach in the chat. So this whole move was caught a 1 to 11. By the way, this is a 1 to 11. Caught this whole move to the upside, right? So after that, I woke up, right? I went to the 4-hour time frame. It's around 6 o'clock. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can obviously see that we have 2 a.m., 6 a.m., and 10 a.m. So you have 2 a.m. as accumulation. So you mark out the high and low of the 2 a.m. candle. As you can see, the 6 o'clock candle manipulated above the 2 o'clock candle, and we had S&T. So this is my second trade entry right here. And if we go down to the lower time frame, I screen recorded this trade, but we had an S&T with ES on here. We had our market structure shift right here, and then that turned into a breaker. So you got your breaker right here. So boom, that's the second trade I took. I took shorts after the distribution to the downside. I am expecting the price to push back up. I don't want price to come down back to these lows, to this low down here. So this low should still act as a protected low right here. So boom, that's my second trade. So we got one win right here off this entry. The second one was off this breaker entry right here. And then and this is live. I took this live in front of my chat. The last entry that I had got was this one down here. So we hit an hourly fair value gap on the hourly time frame off open. So if you mark this out, you could have got in right here on the fair value gap and caught this whole push back up. Mind you, I'm in this right now. I plan on swinging through FOMC on my options account. So I'm in this trade right now, actually. And I caught the absolute bottom. So I'm okay with risking the profits only because I caught the absolute bottom tick of the market. So on options, I didn't put in a lot. I'm going to hide my P&L though. I don't want y'all to see my, how do you even do that? Can I do that? I can't even hide my P&L. But I can't even show it, hide it or nothing. I don't, never mind, I ain't gonna show it. But I am in a call right now for QQQ 538 calls. And I'm gonna hold it through Powell speaking. And I'm gonna see what I can do. But as of right now, I am in this trade right now. In this move, it's just consolidating right now. Like the profits, it's just consolidating right now. But if you see, I'm in QQQ calls. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm in the calls right now, right? So if we go back to NQ, we got our hourly retest on this fair value gap. So if you break it down into the lower time frame, this whole retracement was the same thing. So you got a breaker block right here, the last up close candle before the move down, targeting liquidity and pulling back up above it. So you got your breaker block, and then you have your fair value gap. We came back and retested it at the start of the hour of a new hour. So a unicorn it's some sauce. A unicorn is valid at the start of every hour of the day. So if you can see a unicorn that's forming at the beginning of an hour, a new hour of a day, you valid to take it. It's gonna hold for sure. This trade ran, pulled back. I got stopped out after. On futures, I got stopped out because my stop loss was below this inversion right here. So once price went up, I shaved off some contracts, and then we pulled back. I got stopped out on NQ, but I'm still holding on options. But yeah, I'm in on options right now. And just to, show that I'm dead serious, this is the first entry right here of the first London session trade. I got in and during Asia session. So I woke up to profit. We all did. Everybody did. Then this is the analysis behind it. Then, you got other people in the chat doing good. My boy Typical caught that 930 drop. You got other people right here that's going, same person. Same people going crazy. Then you got me again. Caught the bottom of the move. It's on my Instagram story too. You got other people. Here go me right here. Boom. 500 ticks. Cool. Here go another screenshot of me in the QQQ calls. I use all my buying power for this. I ain't gonna lie. I'm up 30%. And yeah, but so far those are the easiest. Those are 3 trades I took. I know FOMC is low probability, but when it's stuff sometimes get real simple and easy. Not gonna lie, because all price is gonna do is repeat itself over and over again. I'm paper trading the 538 for. Yeah, I want to see how they do, especially with FOMC in 2 hours. I want to see if FOMC can push me to them highs that I want, that I got marked out. So we gonna see. We gonna see what price can do for me. But yeah, I want these lows to stay protected. I don't want this to get swept. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully, FOMC just wick down, probably create equal lows or whatever, and then push up. But I don't want to see these lows get taken out. I just want to go straight up. I'm not gonna lie. But from the looks of it, the way the daily candle is broken down, we did open up and just run higher. So we expected to put in the low. So the daily candle is going against my bias. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But it's just pocket change for me. So I'm willing to hold it and risk money, even though we just ran straight up and didn't put in the low. Hopefully this is the low of the day though, and we just reverse back off and chop around until we close, and I can make some type of profit. But I'm gonna hold it through tomorrow too. I might just swing trade it until Thursday. Somebody just said they still hold it NQ 22365. He a bold man. I can't. I gotta stop that. I'm cool. I don't even want to risk the rest of the day. But I do see QQQ going up, so we gonna see. I'm sure it'll be a nice, even before premiums are going to skyrocket on both calls and push right before. For real, I didn't even see, and I'm still getting into because I started off with options, but I fell off real fast because the person I was learning from wasn't legit. So I didn't even know that. That's crazy. I didn't even know the premiums go up way before FOMC. If that happens, I'll get out. I would get out the trade, honestly. I didn't even know that. But yeah, those are the reasons behind my trades. Feel me? These lows should be protected though. The only thing these lows should be protected. Tuesday should put in a little week. Broke the new day up in the gap. To the upside, we pushing up. I'm in the same trade, G. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good shit. I'm in the same. Yeah. See, at one point I was up 40% on my. So I'm doing a small account challenge for the channel. It's gonna be a series of me growing $100, right? So I'm gonna grow $100 and see how far I can take it in a span of a month. So until the end of January, I'm gonna be doing updates on it every single week. Plus my regular videos, whole little series. I'm gonna be doing it with the chat. So hopefully I can get everybody started with that inside the chat. Everybody going crazy. I'm actually happy everybody did good today. Even on a hard day, I ain't gonna say a hard day, but even on the coolest, calm day like this, where it's low probability, even though they're not supposed to be traded like I told them to. At least they still pulling some out the market. But yeah, I'm looking for us to go to previous day highs. Not gonna lie. And I didn't even know the stuff about the premium. You bought time though? Did I? Like, what that mean? Like, did I buy a couple days out? Have you traded with Tick Trade? I just heard about them. Not gonna lie, I just heard about them. My boy said they was fire. What if you got a 12/20 expiration date? What do I have? Is that good that I got a 12/20 expiration date? Let me see. Dang, hold on, wait. Oh, snaps. I don't think I bought Tom. Damn. I don't think I bought Tom. Did I? I don't know. It says, nope, I don't think I bought Tom. It shouldn't matter. You know, price will go. Okay. Oh, I did? Oh, okay. Bet. Say less. Yes, sir. We good. Nah, facts. Oh, because if it expired today, your boy would have been cooked. Okay, so we valid. What's some videos y'all want to see on my channel? I ain't gonna lie, I be running out of ideas a little bit. So if y'all want to see any type of certain videos, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm real transparent. I be posting my lose, my losses and stuff. But I feel like I can up the content if I take some advice from y'all. So if y'all want to see any type of videos, let me know. Any type of small account to big account to bigger, like I'm saying, any type of videos, I do them. Read your previous question. You have to Friday. Oh, you gotta re-ask it. All I see is you have to Friday. At least it doesn't. I only see at least it don't expire today. You gotta re-ask it. I don't see it because I'm joined on my phone. So Sim to Fund It. They got Sim to Fund It. You said it's called Tick Trade. Let's go look. Where their website at? Oh. So we got Tick Trader. We'll go to Tradivate. You lost some end of the day drop. End of the day drawdown is 5,000. Oh, that's on 100K. And they only start off at it. Okay. 520. See, this is fire. This is fire. One-time payment 408. Consistency rules 20. I just hate consistency rules, but I guess it's worth it. I don't know. It's cool. It's just like, god damn, consistency rule is crazy. But I understand they want consistency and shit like that. I respect it. So after Fast Track funded, I low key been iffy on like Sim to Fund It, like straight to Fund It. Because the model, the business model behind this is stupid. So you telling me, let's say, I have 5 accounts of 100Ks. All right, so let's go to a calculator. So calculator, you got 5 100K, so 5 times 408. So it's not going to do the math. 5. So I have to make to break inside their pockets. Pause. I have to make $2,000 payout, and I'm already digging into their profits of their business model. Because I spent 2,000 for five 100Ks, and if I get a payout, let's say I do 1,000 across each. That's $5,000, 3,000 in profit net on them. They down 3,000 against me. So it's just stuff like that I'll be thinking about. But every trader can't get a payout. Bro, I know I'm trying to work. I'm trying to work on it, bro. I'll be trying to work. Somebody told me a prayer to like start saying a prayer. So start saying a prayer so I can start feeling like nasty about talking that way. I'll be trying to work on it, bro. Yeah, I gotta work on that heavy. I gotta come up with like some type of punishment or something when I do it, so I can get used to like not saying it, not doing that. I'm trying to get better, bro. I'm trying to get better. Yeah, I'm trying to do better, bro. Today was a good day though. We got a market structure call today. But today I've been pretty accurate. I've been pretty accurate this week, not gonna lie. This whole all this is just this week alone. I mean only 3 days in. So I gotta call today. But I got a one-on-one with a student, y'all, in like 30 minutes. So I'm finna get up off here. Let me get up off here. Feel me? I'll be back on later tonight. Trade live for London. If y'all want, y'all can join the chat. I hit 2K subs, so the chat is $10 right now with code 2K subs. $10 for your first month, man. Y'all come tap in, come make some money, come get funded with your boy. But I'll catch y'all later, and I will see y'all. Peace.